Hi, I'm James Hobson, and I run a company called Hacksmith Industries, where we take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real working prototypes. A YouTube channel that inspires youth around the world to look into science and technology as a career path. At Hacksmith Industries, we make superhero tech in real life. From anything from Captain America's shield to Batman's grappling hook gun, batarangs, or even stuff from video games like Overwatch, Torbjorn's turret, Zarya's particle cannon, and even Genji's sword. We've also done stuff from anime, including Attack on Titan swords, and other video games like Half-Life and the Red Hot Rebar crossbow. Plus, we love making movie props as well. One of my first pieces of equipment that really helped me start this channel was a CNC laser cutter, and it allowed me to make 2D prototypes of things out of wood and acrylic. And it really was a game changer for the things I was able to produce, because that, with a 3D printer, allowed me to make almost anything I needed. The next step was being able to make it out of metal. So I saw the CNC plasma table as being the final piece of the puzzle, the final piece of equipment we needed at our shop to be able to make anything that we wanted. One of our industry partners is Elite Metal Tools. EMT is an Amazon-like distributor of all kinds of industrial equipment. Since they're the expert in the space, they recommended MaverickCNC by Tech Automation. Since we received our MaverickCNC plasma cutter, we've almost used it for every single project since we've had it up and operational. Even when we don't necessarily need to use it, we use it anyways because it just makes everything so much more convenient to make. As you can see, we've gone through a ton of steel already, and we cut profiles for almost every single project. The Include software is super easy to use. Drag and drop your DXF, select the material and the thickness, and it sets everything for you. All you have to do is press go. We were especially impressed with the quality of the laptop they shipped with the machine. Super fast and easy to run the software on. With the purchase of a MaverickCNC plasma cutter, they'll send a service tech for 2 days to help install your machine and teach you how to use it. We were a bit too eager though, so we actually set up the machine by ourselves, and we were able to use those 2 days purely for training. The MaverickCNC plasma cutter is a must-have for any serious fabrication shop. It's so easy to use and reliable, it's the tool you need. I'd recommend it to any serious fab shop looking to expand their capabilities and be able to make some awesome stuff. And if you guys are interested in seeing some of our cool projects that we make here at Hacksmith, check out our website www.thehacksmith.ca or on YouTube.